Yo, at the moment, yeah, we are here in Byron Bay. Uh, yeah, until this time, everything is open. Shops and restaurants, they are still open. I'm also seeing a lot of bikers. Nice. A lot of people here. If you compare this to other city, yeah, this one is still alive even until the night, I think. Because I'm always hearing this in the news related to, nightlife, uh, drugs, uh, fights, something like that. Oh, look at that. Their electric bike looks so different and looks big. Yeah, throwing the garbage because that's too spicy. Yeah, I thought I can eat it, but it's very spicy. Eh, also I have this one. I bought it from the one of the shop along the highway. I didn't able to eat it, so it's almost, this is the second day. So I think it's not good anymore. Yeah, we throw it. Yeah, because yesterday when I went to the Filipino shop, yeah, there are two ladies there. There is a funny conversation. We had a funny conversation about the experience, life in the Philippines, about food, that the food usually are being left just on the table with covered with something, and it is still good to eat until the next day. They said that their stomach is not anymore used to eat leftover food, or they are no yeah, they are no aware about the temperature of the food and things like that. Yeah, they are basically a wife of the locals, like wife of Australians, so they are Australian also. Yeah, we are going out first to explore the Byron Bay. This is how it is here, and mostly are cabins, but this is also a camping park. Yeah. Yo. The caravan park is a little bit far, but the city center is actually just right behind these houses. But there's no access to get in here. You need to roam around on that area for you to be able to get here. And the road here is not as good as most roads here in Australia. Rough road, mate. Wait, I saw people, they are passing on that side. We'll go that side too. Maybe it's a shortcut to get to the town. We'll find it out. Oh yes, it is. Thank you. Awesome. And now I am in the town. I'm in the city center. We're just gonna walk the bike because there are so many cars in here. And we're going to the beach area. Also, we're going to find, oh, where's the way here? Also, we're going to find a restaurant to eat breakfast. Good morning. You notice there are so many bikers here. I think that is a rent bike. I went here last night, yeah, to buy something to eat. I actually buy a sushi, not a sushi, but a Japanese food takeaway from Woolworth. And I've seen this place. Still a lot of shops are open late. Not comparing to the other cities, they are usually closed early. But most in here are open late. Good morning. There's a big dog. Big dog. Yeah, like this. Last night there are some live music in there. And they are also open this time. Margarita Mexican Cantina. Yo, we are now heading to the beach area. Byron Bay is known for the beach and yeah, surfboarding. Basically the same like Bunday Beach, but maybe this has more beautiful. I don't know. Yo, look at that. Yeah, the water is glittering. There's some people there swimming, some in there, and there's so much more on that side. And it's a long beach. This is basically the beach front, and this is how it is along the way here. I think it's a good walk to reach that far. You know, because I always have my bikes with me, I always check the place if there is a warning, if a bike is not allowed, or you know, things like that. Yeah, no smoking, no camping, no horses, no cars, and no sharp object, no fishing. Yeah, the same. Yeah, no dogs allowed. Yeah, I think that's it. They're not mentioning any bike in here, so I think we can go in there. Look at that, there are dogs, and it says there's no dog. Yo, we are now here, and you know, another reason why I like these shoes from Kmart is that the sand will not go inside because this is high cut and it's fully covered. Yeah, it's good for adventure. And this is usually the, you know, the shoes of the tradie. The tradie are the people who do carpentry, plumbing, things like that. We are now here walking in the shore of the beach. Yo, people, dogs are not allowed, but there are dogs. Maybe the council, yeah, the rangers are not on duty yet because it's still early. I know usually there are rangers in the park and they will make you pay for something like a violations. Yeah, you can't really blame them because, you know, their houses is just near the shore. Look at that, there are so many birds on the water. Yeah, there are birds, not fish. I think we cannot go farther that side because there is like this, a barrier. It is like a river. Dun 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 dun. Why the color of the sand? The water is brown, orange. So yeah, that's it. We are going back now. The guy that I speak with in there offered to, you know, to carry the bike for us to be able to get to the other side. He said that the water is below the knee, so it's passable. Yeah, but I don't want to take my shoes out. It will be uncomfortable later. Yeah, that's why I'm going back now. And we are out here. There is a river, and I think we're going to cross to the there is one bridge I can see from here. Most of the houses here are for rent. I mean, vacation house, holiday rental. Yeah, there is a bike lane here. I'm actually heading to the other side. Yeah, we may be going back to the same, you know, the same beachfront. I got it. This is the river that connected to where I stopped on the beach. We reached this far. I decided we are going back now to the town, and that's the view of the town. Really nice looking, color blue sky and color blue, dark blue water. I speak to one guy there, and he said he is with his bike. He said he just crossed here in this creek to get here. He said it's below the knee, so I'm going to do that also. I just need to take my shoes off. Yeah, it's freezing cold. Now it's feeling numb. Yeah, you know, more and more people are coming here. This house is nice. Yeah, they have the view of the place. Oh, beautiful dog. I need to get to the cabin because, you know, check out at 10 o'clock. If I don't check out at 10 o'clock, I need to pay extra. Also, they said they have the rules that if you leave the cabin dirty, you need to pay $50. I don't want to pay $50. Now you will never know me. We are now in the commercial area of the Byron Bay.